Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Milady meme coin. We're going to be talking about what is happening with the price, whether or not we should be worried, and we're going to be talking about what are some news that are revolving around Milady. So if you guys are enjoying these daily updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and now let's get right in today's topic. So if we're looking at the price right now to begin with, you guys can see the price right now, there's about 7 zeros in front of the price now. We're currently sitting at 83502, down 20% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 17% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. So, it's no secret at this point to see that, Milady is on a downwards channel. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at 74.1 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $27.5 million. But now let's shift our focus towards the analysis. But before we do that, I wanted to share this with you guys. So Crypto.com DeFi wallet came out and said new listing in DeFi wallet, Pepe, LMWR, and Ladies listed on the ETH ERC20. So that is of course a good thing to point out to you guys. But before we jump into the charts, I wanted to look at the holder count. You guys know how important it is for me to look at the holder count, because it really gives us a better understanding, guys, to see if there are newcomers coming into this project still. So, if we compare to the previous day, it helps us understand if there are new holders coming in and the flow is there. And, we're seeing that happen right now. You guys can see over the last 24 hours, there has been an increase. And currently, as of now, as of recording this video, we are currently sitting at 16,038 holders as of now. So that is quite impressive. And that is a big plus point that we do need to, consider when we are examining the price. But now, let's get right into the analysis, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So look what has happened, guys. Something very interesting has happened, and it goes back to what I mentioned in my previous update yesterday. So this blue line, this is a huge level of resistance that is coming on our way when the price of Milady is trying to break towards the upside. We've seen quite a few times we've seen a rejection happen, and even today you guys can see we were above there and we've seen another rejection. But today's rejection, in my personal opinion, is due to Bitcoin, which we will get into shortly. You guys can see we have dropped about 21.78% over the last few hours just today, and we got a rejection as soon as we got into above that level of resistance. But also one thing we need to keep in mind is Bitcoin is seeing a retracement. I told you guys in my previous update that Bitcoin, there's a massive battle going on between the bulls and the bears. Of course, the bulls want the price to stay within this range, which is the 61.8. And the bears want the price to be, of course, in this blue zone, which is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So, we are seeing the bears win right now. We've seen a drop of about 4% within the price of Bitcoin, which of course is going to impact the entire market. So, that is impacting all altcoins along with meme coins right now too. Everyone tends to think that meme coins are depegged from Bitcoin, but slowly the big boys, when they start getting listed on centralized exchanges, they start correlating with BTC, and that's what we're seeing happen. And right now we have seen about a 21% retracement within the price of Miladies. But now comes the question that's on everyone's mind: are we about to retest May 12th lows? And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, in order for us to retest that level, we still need a drop of about 47.75%. So that is quite sharp of a dip. Are we about to see that happen? In my personal opinion, there's, that would require a massive dip. So either whale manipulation to occur, or BTC retraces back down to 25k mark. And you guys know, if Bitcoin were to drop to $25,000 mark, I've told you guys this before, I'm totally okay with that, and that's still a move of about 5%. So it would require way larger of drop in order for us to retest that zone. But with that said, remember what I've told you guys on my channel before: coins that are in low market valuation, has a low market cap, so with these coins they can pump up fast, but they can also be really manipulated by the whales quite easily, and whales love manipulating smaller coins. So one thing I want you guys to learn from this is, let's go back and look at this. So when you were seeing this dip, right, people were panicking like crazy, and first and foremost you need to be okay with these kind of drops. So going back to what we always talk about, invest where you can afford to lose. If you have done that, guys, if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, then you don't really want to be falling for these whale tactics. So imagine you ended up selling here and the price ended up pumping all the way up about 3x after that. So that's one thing you guys need to keep in mind. I know there's a lot of new people coming into the space. These type of moves can be very scary, but that's the main goal of these whales. They want to shake out the weak hands so they can take advantage of that, and you do not want to be on the loser side. And always I've told you guys before as well, lock in those profits when you see those profits. I cannot stress this enough. So going back to what I was saying, is there a chance for Milady to drop down to those levels? Like I said, would need quite a big drop in order for that to happen, but I want this support around that 7122 cents to hold. Extremely important for that support to hold. If that support does not hold, there is a chance to see quite a significant drop within the price of Milady, especially if Bitcoin sees a retracement. But so far, we're holding quite strong in my personal opinion. We're holding really strong around this support level. We have some support built up around these ranges where we're being supported by. Of course, what I would love for Milady to do is go back above this level of resistance. That would be the biggest plus point for us to see. And of course, you guys know on the weekends we do tend to see pumps happen for meme coins. So are we about to see another pump happen for Milady this weekend? We will of course see, but it all depends on Pepe. Pepe is also seeing a little bit of a consolidation sideways momentum going on for itself. But I want to share something with you guys. So what I would love for Milady to do is hold around this range where it's currently at. If it even does something like this, then the next leg up could possibly send it past its all-time high. You guys see the pattern forming. So as long as we don't visit these prices, that still puts us in an upwards channel. So that's what I would like seeing right now. So something along those lines would be really nice to see. But in order for us to see a breakout, guys, we do need to close above this level of resistance, and then of course we need a little bit more buying pressure. That can really get things rolling for Milady quite fast. And despite the fact that the price is on a downwards channel, you guys can see this for yourself. The holder count continues to grow, and that speaks for itself. And that is one thing I want you guys to keep in mind and not forget. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are your thoughts for this weekend? Do you guys think there is going to be a big move, or do you think we're going to consolidate a little bit more? Let me know down below, and also let me know what other coins you guys want me to cover. I love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.